Okay, today I thought I would do a short tutorial on how I steam my synthetic wigs. Okay, so you'll just need a few things to do that. Of course, your wig head and your wig, which I have on here. This is Jameson by Aesthetica Designs, and I really like this wig, but it just falls in my face too much. It just bothers me. I'm not crazy about that, so I'm going to steam it a little bit, just try to get it off my face. Of course, you'll need a brush and some pins to pin your wig to your wig head. I have a stand here that I just clip to my desk, and of course my steamer. And that's basically all you need. So I will put her on here, and usually I just use 3 pins. I just kind of look for the ear tabs, and then I go behind that, put her in there like that, both sides. And then I'll do one on the top just to hold it secure. Okay, I'm gonna turn my steamer on. Like I said, I just want to try to just get her to come back a little bit off my face. I think I'll like it better. I won't be always trying to push it back, and I just think that'll be better for me. So I'll comb it out. My steamer's going here, as you can see. And what I usually do is I just pull it back and steam it down, and you have to just brush it down, steam it, and brush it down. I like how this kind of goes under my chin. I usually hit that with a little steam just to kind of keep it going that way. And I think I want to do the same thing on the other side. I think I want to get it off my face a little bit too. So I'm just going to steam it back, pull it down, and of course you'll have to let this dry. And after you let it dry, you can try it on, see if it needs a little more, see what it needs. If you need to do it some more, you can, of course. I always probably do it a little less the first time just to see. I don't want to overdo it. And see how I do. But that's basically what I'm going for. I just want to get it back off of my face a little bit. And that's basically what I do. So I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, now I think this is definitely better. I like it. I've got my wide tooth comb here. I'm pulling it back. See, I like this much better. I got it off my face a little bit. I might go back and even do it a little bit more on this side, just to pull this back a little bit. But it's definitely better. It's not falling in my face like it was before. So I think I'm on the right track. So hopefully this helped you, and you'll know how to steam your wigs if you want to. And don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.